This is the Alternator service program in which you will learn the procedures for performing a full maintenance service on an alternator of popular make and design. In this program, we will cover dismantling, inspection and testing, reassembling and bench testing. Let us begin then as we proceed with the dismantling procedure. First, we will secure the unit under repair in our work vise, and then place alignment marks onto the main housing, stator frame, and front end bracket for reassembly purposes. The first item we remove is the regulator and brush holder assembly. Four through bolts secure the major components together, which are next removed. We suggest that all small parts are kept safely in a container. To split the unit, a screwdriver is used to prise the stator frame from the front end bracket. This will release the stator shaft bearing from the rear end of the housing. The whole assembly is now carefully removed and placed aside. Next, we attend to the removal of the drive end components, but first we ensure that soft jaws are fitted to our vise. The rotor is now secured, and the retainer nut can then be loosened. All components can now be removed carefully, noticing the positioning of the parts. On this unit, a spacer washer is used between the pulley and the fan. All shafts will have a woodruff key which is easily lost, so keep it safe. The fan is lifted away and then the front end bracket is lifted off its shaft. Be aware of any bearing spacers fitted on most models. The alternator has now been dismantled down to its major components. After the break, we'll be looking at each component in more detail.